everyone, my name is Ben Golash with New England Low Vision and Blindness, and today we're going to take a look at the Compact 8. The Compact 8 is a really cool handheld magnifier that is fully touchscreen. The only button on the outside of this device is the on button. The touchscreen on this device makes it really easy for people who are used to smartphones or iPads to transition to this device. A couple of features on the outside of this device is, like I mentioned, the on button at the top. We have a couple ports for headphone jack and for the charging cable. There's also a stand in the back that is easily pulled out with these blue tabs on the sides. You just pull that out and you can stand the device like this. Turning on the Compact 8 is really simple. All you do is press the on button once and it turns on immediately. You notice that the image on the screen comes up immediately. There's no buttons that you have to push. There's no loading screen. It's very instant and very convenient. To access the magnification menu here, you just tap the screen once and the white bar on the bottom comes up with the plus and the minus for magnification. You have the contrast settings here and you also have a screenshot button. When the device is on and you pull the stand down, two backlights come on, which makes reading text very easy. Getting some text under the Compact 8, we could take a look at the image quality. And putting this right over the book, you can see that the image quality is really nice for the size of the product. Everything is very clear and sharp, and when you're using the stand, the lights offer a really nice lighting situation. Taking a look at the contrast settings, we have white on black, black on white, yellow on black, white on blue, and back to normal. Tapping the screenshot button, we're able to take a screenshot of the text. It will take a second to load. You can navigate the screenshot by pinching, you can scroll with your finger, and you could also use the plus and minus button. To get out of the screenshot mode, all you have to do is press the big X up in the top right and it brings you back to the normal image. Okay everyone, this is the Compact 8. This is a fully touchscreen handheld magnifier. It's great for everyday use, for students, for mobile professionals, anyone who needs a fully touchscreen handheld magnifier. This is a great option for you. Be sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.